Hello everyone, welcome to the Analytics Mastery Club. In previous session, we learned about numeric distribution, but focus on numeric sales distribution alone will not improve sales of area. For that, sales manager has to focus on weighted sales distribution. If he focuses on both numeric as well as weighted sales distribution, then sales will improve significantly. The objective of this session is to learn about weighted sales distribution and its applications. Well, the very first question which arises is, what is weighted sales distribution? Well, weighted sales distribution is an equipment to measure its quality of reach. Weighted distribution answers two main questions. Firstly, am I present in high throughput stores? And secondly, can I optimize my reach by getting rid of fringe stores? Moving on, suppose there are 4 different brands in category and there are 4 outlets. The formula which we will use is category sales in the store where I am present by total category sales. Brand 1 is present in 2 outlets, 1 and 3, and total sales of these outlets is 320 and 110 respectively. Total category sales of brand 1 is 462. So weighted distribution of brand 1 is 93%. Thus, we can say that brand 1 has very good sales distribution. Moving on, the applications of weighted distribution are as follows. Firstly, this helps in optimizing reach by targeting high throughput stores, target outlets which have high category sales but low brand sales. Secondly, weighted distribution is used if we have to focus on availability that meet the majority of demand for the category. Thus, in this session, we learned what is weighted distribution and its importance. In next session, we will learn about distribution quality index. Thank you.